Power, power, power. Energy now we get to have. There will be a time for real love, for real love. There will be time for true joy. First you get to destroy the fear.
That's right. We're gonna live into the night. You know, I know which way to go. But we need to be proud enough to let that bullshit go. You need to target over good shit. You need to target over love. Good night, my friend. See you later. See you all around. Cause it's a small world and it's turning around, turning around, turning around.